How to log into your TD Bank's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your TD Bank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, open any web browser of your preference, and in the web address bar, simply type in TD Bank. After that, tap on the first option, which is td.com. Now that will take you to the official homepage of TD Bank, where in order to log in, you'll have to basically look at the login option on the top right side of your screen and then simply choose which account you'd like to log into. So in my case, I'll simply choose my online banking account. After that, it will redirect you to another page where in order to log into your account, you'll have to basically enter your username over here, your password, and once you tap on the option login, you'll have successfully logged into your TD Bank's online banking account. And in any case, if you forgot your username or your password, you can simply reset it or recover it by tapping the option forgot username and or password. And once you follow all the steps provided to you, you will have successfully reset or recovered them. So that is basically how you log into your TD Bank's online banking account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.